Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off autoplay video previews on iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then scroll up and go to accessibilities. There you will find motions. Click on that and then you will get this three options over here, like on the same line. You will get this the second option over here, autoplay video previews. Once you click on that green circle, it's gonna be turned into gray, and it's mean like your video previews on autoplay is turned off, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.